Whatever has happened for good. Whatever is happening is also for good. Whatever will happen shall also be good. Do not worry about the future and live in the present. By these heartening lines of Lord Krishna, I wish you all happy Janmashtami and a delightful morning. Today's virtual assembly is conducted by the students of 12th Commerce. In this virtual assembly, we'll present all the major components of GNMS assembly, including Path, English prayer, Hindi song, Ardas, pledge, news, word of the day, a special act on Janmashtami, and last but not the least, thought of the day. Nothing can be started without the remembrance of Almighty who have created this universe. So let's begin our day with Path. For this, I would like to call Khushi.
एक ओंकार सतनाम कर्ता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभंग गुर प्रसाद जब आद सच जुगात सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच.
Happy moments, praise God. Difficult moments, seek God. Painful moments, trust God. And every moment, just thank God. Thanking God for creating all the wonderful things and bestowing happiness upon us, I call upon Yashanshi to lead us with English prayer.
There is one God. He is the supreme truth. He, the Creator, is without fear and without hate. He is the omnipresent, pervades the universe. He is not born, nor does he die to be born again. By his grace shalt thou worship him. Before time itself, there was the truth. When time began to run its course, he was the truth. Even now, he is the truth, and evermore shall truth prevail. Thanks to the God.
Music gives happiness to mind and soul. Sharing happiness and praising God in a musical way. Hindi song by a school students.
तेरी है ज़मीं
ईश्वर में आस्था है तो उलझनों में भी रास्ता है. To pray and remember the Almighty, Gaganpreet is here to lead us with Ardas.
अरदास सिक्की ओंकार श्री वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. वार श्री भगवती जी की पातशाही दसवीं प्रथम भगवती सिमर के गुरु नानक ले त्याय फिर अंगद गुरते अमरदास रामदास से होए सहाय. अर्जन हर गोबिंदो सिमरो श्री हर राय. श्री हर कृष्ण त्याइये जिस डिठे सब दुख जाए. गुरु तेग बहादुर सिमरिए कर नौने दावे त्याय. सब थाई न जी सहाय. 10वें पातशाह श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी महाराज सब थाई होए सहाय. 10 पातशाह दी जोत श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी ते पाठ दर्शन दीदार दा ध्यान करके खालसा साहिब बोलना श्री वाहिगुरु. पंजा प्यारा चौर साहिबजादियां 40 मुक्तियां हठियां जपियां तपियां. जिन्हां ने नाम जपिया वन के छकिया देख चिलाई तेग वाही देख के अंडत किता. तिना प्यारा सचारे दी पवित्र कमाई दा ध्यान करके खालसा साहिब बोलना श्री वाहिगुरु. फितमे सरबत खालसा जी को अरदास है जी सरबत खालसा जी को वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु. चितावे चितावन गा सदका सरब सुख होवे जहाँ जा खालसा जी साहेब दाता रख्या रियायत. देख देख फतेह बिरत की पैंत पंथ की जी श्री साहेब जी साहेब. खालसा जी के बोल वाले बोलना जी श्री वाहिगुरु. सिखा नु सिक्खी दान केस दान रहत दान विवेक दान विसाहा दान परोसा दान दाना सरदान नाम दान. श्री अमृतसर साहिब जी ते दर्शन स्नान चौकिया चंडे बुंगे जुको जुको अटल. धर्म का जयकार खालसा जी के बोल वाले बोलना जी श्री वाहिगुरु. सिखा दा मन नीवा मत उच्ची मत पद का राका हे अकाल पुरख वाहिगुरु. आप जी दे हजूर अरदास की है ते कोई दा पाठ पढ़े. अरदास कर दिया वेले अनेका प्रकार की भुलना चुक्का हो गया होन की कृपा करके अनजान बच्चे समझ के माफ़ करनी. इस स्कूल सदा अपनी चढ़दियाँ कला विच रखना. सही प्यारे मेर जिन्ना मेले आप जी दा नाम चितावे. नानक नाम चढ़ती कला तेरे पाने सरबत दा भला. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
Our great leaders had sacrificed their happiness to make others happy. Taking an oath to continue this legacy, Shrashti is here to lead us with pledge.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be a worthy citizen of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Updating ourselves every day is good and a never-ending habit, which shows our awareness towards the nation. So, to keep us up to date, I would like to call Parul for this week's top news headlines.
A very good morning to all of you. This week's news headlines are: India hopes Russia will join Indo-Pacific with Japan trilateral. Air India Express plane from Dubai overshoots runway at Kozhikode. Manar Abdel Samad becomes first government official to resign after barrack blast that killed 158 people. Now some sports news. India will host the T20 World Cup in 2021 as the Board of Control for Cricket in India returned its hosting rights. Andrea Pirlo replaces Sakit Mauricio Sarri as new Juventus coach. Stan Wawrinka to skip US Open due to coronavirus. Thank you and have a nice day.
World is full of words, and a new word increases our vocabulary. So, to enhance our vocabulary, Yashi is here for Word of the Day.
Word of the day is serendipity. It is a noun. The word serendipity means the fact of finding something valuable or interesting by chance. For instance, to find Amitabh Bachchan sitting next to me was a true serendipity for me. Thank you.
As we all know that today is the auspicious day of Janmashtami. It is an annual festival which celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the country. So Yashanshi and Abhijit are here to present a graceful dance performance depicting various scenes from the life of our Markantor, Lord Krishna.
मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुही मुही ऐसे नहीं छेड़ो सावरे सुन सुन मौसे नहीं खेलो दावरे जाके यशोदा से
नैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर वाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर वाला वो किसना है
मुस्काए कभी छेड़े कभी बात करे राधा कैसे न जले राधा कैसे न जले आग तन मन में लगे राधा कैसे न जले राधा कैसे न जले
मधुबन में भले कान्हा किसी को पी से मिले मन में तो राधा के ही प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले इसलिए राधा जले इसलिए राधा जले बिना सोचे समझे इसलिए राधा जले इसलिए राधा जले
Every morning brings us new thoughts, new strengths, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and give this assembly a beautiful end, Sejal is here for Thought of the Day.
So, Thought of the Day is, a man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he becomes. I repeat my thought, a man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he becomes. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Some people deserve more than just a thank you, just like all the excellencies. I would like to thank our Reverend Principal Sir, our kind academic coordinators, and all the amazing teachers who have given us an opportunity to show our talent virtually. Again, thank you all.